Wander Wolf by Micah Rivera. For my sweet daughters Sophia and Mina. Once there was a wolf named Wander. Wander was a rather mischievous wolf. If an opportunity came up to be sneaky, he thought it would be so fun. Maybe to even be scary. Roar! He shouted, scaring the deer. Oh, the poor deer did not like that at all. But Wander did not care. Wander, on his way back home, spotted a dragonfly. Off to the races he went. I'm going to catch that thing. But he chased and chased all the way into the night, but couldn't catch it, and then was lost. Oh no. Crack! A sound. What could it be? A bear, maybe? Oh, he thought. You'd think that maybe he'd be very fast and brave, but really, he was very, very scared. He ran right into a tree. Pow! Slam. Oh, knocked out. He was passed out after hitting that tree. He slept all night long. But as soon as the sun rose into the morning, I just woke up and I slept like a baby. I feel brand new. As he was heading home, back to his wolf den. To his surprise, the dragonfly came out again. I got to get it this time. Wander chased the dragonfly as fast as he could this time. This time I'm going to get it. I'm closer and closer to it. And as he got close, it disappeared. But he saw the deer again. He was excited to see the deer. But the deer were not excited to see him. Are you going to try and scare us again? Oh, you know what? I know how it feels like to be scared. I'm really sorry. Will you forgive me? The deers forgave Wander. And to his surprise, something magical happened. The end.